Good evening, YouTubers out there. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drewski, for this another update video at the Laurel Boulevard construction site. And tonight is December 4th, 23. Yeah, we're almost heading towards 2024. And right now it's about 5:54. You want to look at those fences or what they did? Yep. They took the old ones out to put the new ones in. It's still light a little bit. It's getting kind of very cold out there. Now look at this. Now I can't even get to see this anymore. Yep. This will be just like Ashley remembered when they had like wooden fence. Now it's the plastic fence. And they made this one like a little bit bigger. They didn't want people to be breaking in or something. They did like a pretty good job on this project. You want to go right over there to see what they did too? And these men, they haven't been doing like this side at that place since they built it early of this year. And these hills look so pretty hard to climb in. You know, this is very dangerous to walk over there. And I'm going to show you for this site all the way from there. And here it is. They've been doing this for the past 2 weeks to build this fence. Yep. They made this fence from there all the way up to there. And look. Well, that's about it for this update at the site on Laurel Boulevard. And I'll see you again next time when I give you some more updates about this place. If I ever get through here. And please comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and make notifications if you like this video or the previous videos that I made in this series. With the tree cutting, making the ground flatter, and building it. Until then, this is your cameraman, Daniel, signing off, and I'll see you next time for more updates at this site. Good night, everybody, and enjoy the video. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.